I've been successfully trapping turtles for 35, 40 years. I want to talk to you today about how to clean a snapping turtle. I like to put a vice grips on each side of the shell and fasten the vice grips to a nail in a tree. So once it's hanging and I have the inner shell facing me, I like to take a knife and cut around the skin, all around the shell, and follow the skin around the inner shell. And I like to take the knife and cut on each side of the tail and down each side of the leg to the claws. So now I'm ready to take a pliers and pull off strips of skin. And I start with the tail end of the turtle, peeling the skin off the tail, and I'll grab the skin off each leg, peeling the skin all the way off down to the paws. Once you have all the skin off, you can take a knife and slice right through them joints. Then I take a knife, there's like a thin line on each side of the inner shell. Slice right down through that thin line, and you can pull on one side of that inner shell and take your knife and peel the meat away. Now your inner shell is gone. So now you pull down on the tail and take your knife and cut between the backbone and the shell, and keep pulling as you're cutting, and eventually you'll be able to pull the meat down and twist the whole hind end away from the shell. Then what I like to do after that is rinse it good, let it soak in cold water overnight, a day or two. And I like to take a knife, and you can either debone it or kind of like a chicken, just cut it like a leg and a thigh. You can find that joint and you'll be able to cut right through there and pull the pieces apart. Now you have a clean turtle.